Hello and welcome to part two of the quick tour of the My Meal Plan page. In part one, we've seen the basic controls and presentation and structure of the page, and now we'll see a couple of examples of situations which lead to your modifying the meal plan. So, for example, this is what you receive from SOSCuisine, and you look at it and you say, "Okay, that's cool. I have a soup here on Tuesday. Oh, by the way, this is something I didn't tell you in part one, which I should have. This icon here indicates that the recipe is on the menu more than once. So, as indicated here in the tooltip, you can see that it's on the menu on Tuesday night as well as on Saturday night. Oh, quite good, handy. It's nice to minimize the time in the kitchen, right? But suppose you like this soup and you want to make even more, you can just open the card here and select, for example, 12 servings, right? It's about the same time to prepare. And the meal plan is adjusted automatically. And whoa, you have a new tab appearing, surplus, which tells you that you have extra servings that you can use for a later time. And so if you look at the icon again, it will tell you that the recipe is still on the menu on Tuesday and Saturday night, but also you have 8 extra servings in the surplus, right? Good. Now suppose that you have friends coming over for dinner on Friday night. Okay, so typically you're two people at home, but you on Friday night you have 3 friends coming to visit. So you want to increase the dinner number of servings from 3 to 5, and bingo, it's adjusted. Okay, and the grocery list will be adjusted accordingly, and everything else. If you look at the servings for the recipes, they're automatically adjusted. Okay. Similarly, suppose that you're going out, you'll be eating out on Saturday night, so you just have to remove the meal here. Okay, and again, everything else is adjusted, including the action plan. Okay, which we've quickly seen in part one. So, in summary, every change that we make is automatically replicated or reflected in all features of the meal plan. And yet another example, you look at this and you say, "Oh well, I don't feel like eating this, for example, this week. So let me see if I can possibly have some alternatives." And sure you can. So you click on the swap meal button here, and the system will show you a number of meal options that are compatible with your profile, with your individual food profile, and which is nutritionally equivalent. So you say, okay, this looks better. So you click on it, and automatically the whole meal plan is updated. The action plan is updated, the grocery list is updated, and bingo, everything. All the nutritional information also is updated. All right. So these are a few examples of what you can do with the meal plan. Enjoy.